Hey, how you doing? It's Gio Gianta here, and this is video 8 of the Facebook Page Engagement Challenge. I want to welcome you to this video, and pretty much is what I'm doing right now is I'm going over some results that I'm getting on Facebook through generic traffic methods. So I'm using Facebook. I'm not using a Facebook fan page. I'm using a Facebook regular page, and I'm just sharing results that I'm getting every single day with you guys, and I'm showing you exactly how I get these results. What I posted, you could actually look over my shoulder by watching these videos. Is what it is. This is a 90-day challenge that I'm doing to increase my Facebook page engagement, and I'm doing this all generically, so this is not paid advertising. These are all free methods that I'm using, and I just wanted to share the results with you. This is actually video 18 of the Facebook Page Engagement Challenge, and this is day 18. So I just wanted to show you. So this post is a post that I posted yesterday. It has 47, 48, 49 likes and loves and 9 comments, and a lot of people are engaging with it because I spoke from my heart, and a lot of people can like they like when you speak from your heart. They like when you're genuine, as opposed to just posting anything. They like when you have something that you're genuine about, and when it has to do with them as well, because you're in front of them, and you're pretty much as a marketer and a leader, you're pretty much selling yourself to the other people who are in marketing. You're selling yourself as a leader, you're selling yourself as a marketer, and you have to look at it as, why are people going to follow you? Like, what value are you giving a person that is following you as a leader, right? So that's that post. Here's a post that I posted this morning. I thought this would have got a lot more engagement, but it really didn't, get as much as I thought. But that's okay. I just wanted to see, and I'm testing these posts to see which ones actually get the most engagement and which ones don't, and then I'll modify from there, and then I know exactly what to post. So I'm glad that you're on this journey with me, so you get to see me on a day-to-day basis and see the results that I'm getting. And then I posted a video. Hold on, up here. Okay, so here's the other status that I posted today. This one has a little bit more, and it pretty much talks about, failure, and why people can, why people can relate to it so much is because everybody has failure in their life. It doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter if you're very, very successful right now. You've had failure at some point in your life, and this basically says, if you tried and failed, then you've won to people who have never ever tried. So that basically means if you never try, you're not going to do anything. So the people who at least make an attempt are the ones that matter, because if you try something and you failed, it's okay. And I'm trying to let people know that it's okay to fail. It's okay to have your failures. You need to have your failures. Every failure is a lesson learned. So you just have to pick up that lesson learned and figure out what it is, and get value from it, and change something that you did wrong. That's like feedback. That's pretty much like a failure is like an advertisement, like a paid advertisement. You see what's not working and you switch it, and you get better at it, over time. So that's basically why people engage with it so much. And I'll get more engagement over the night. And I tested this out. I put a video on my page, and I've never really done that before. I wanted to see how people would react to that. Because I share videos and I share my content in my Facebook groups, and it's always real good to get a certain amount of people who like you, who like your content, like the value that you're sharing inside of a Facebook group, because that way you can build a relationship with people on a more personal level. So Facebook groups are very good to stay in contact with people, to connect with people, and it's more of a one-on-one basis. So you always want to have a Facebook group that you're connecting with people and that you're sharing value with them, and it's necessarily a Facebook group with information that you don't normally share on your personal wall or to the public, because whenever you have a Facebook group, you want somebody to feel special. You want somebody to feel like they're getting, that extra value that other people that aren't a part of your Facebook aren't getting. So it's important to always make value of your Facebook group, because your Facebook group has value, and you as a leader and you as a coach, you need a Facebook group, and you need to be giving people value in your Facebook group, and it's very, very important. And and this is how I'm actually building my social media up. And I continue to bring the people on my personal page to my fan page, and I'm getting free traffic and free likes from my personal page to my fan page. So that's really amazing too. Um, I posted something in the group that I had 72 people who liked my fan page this week, and the number has gone up a couple since then. But it's really amazing that I don't have to really spend any paid advertising on that. These are people that already like my stuff, that already see who I am. So of course they're gonna like my fan page. And so when I start using the fan page, those people are going to be on there as well. So that's why it's very important to build relationships in this industry. And just if you like what I'm doing and you want to learn more about it, make sure you click on that link below. It's going to show you exactly how I'm getting this engagement, how I'm getting people who are interested in what I have to say and everything like that. If you click on the link below, it's going to take you to a page, and you're going to learn more about what I'm doing to get these results. And also, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you soon.